A Microsoft Azure cloud engineer is responsible for designing, deploying, and managing cloud-based solutions on the Azure platform. They ensure the infrastructure is scalable, secure, and cost-efficient while optimizing performance and integrating services. Their role includes troubleshooting, automation, and collaborating with development teams to meet business needs.
Why is it so popular in the cloud computing world?
Microsoft Azure is popular in the cloud computing world due to its wide range of services, scalability, and integration with Microsoft products. It offers solutions for cloud storage, virtual machines, AI, machine learning, data analytics, and more, making it versatile for businesses of all sizes. Azure's ability to support multiple programming languages and frameworks also makes it a preferred choice for developers. Why choose Microsoft Azure for your cloud career?
Microsoft Azure is one of the leading cloud platforms in the world, used by over 95% of Fortune 500 companies. Azure provides flexible, secure, and cost-effective solutions for businesses, making Azure cloud engineers highly sought after in today's job market.
In a cloud computing platform that lets businesses store data, run applications, and manage services, all in the cloud. It's trusted by companies worldwide to improve their operations with flexibility, scalability, and security. Our Microsoft Azure Cloud Engineer Certification Program at GoLogica is designed to equip you with the skills needed to thrive in this booming field. With Azure skills, you can work on projects like setting up cloud infrastructure, managing databases, implementing security protocols, and optimizing cloud services to improve efficiency. Wondering about the job market? Azure cloud engineers are in high demand, with companies actively seeking professionals who can help them navigate the cloud landscape. Average salaries range from $90K to $130K annually, depending on your experience and location.